everyone, I'm Clara and welcome to Shenzhen.
And we're here at the Hong Kong Fair. You have so many different companies.
Yes.
Are you part of the government of Shenzhen?
Yes, it's the government of Shenzhen.
And you're promoting all the technology that's happening?
Yes.
What do we see here?
It's a...
Ooh.
His name is PM01 and his company name is Engine AI.
Nice. And so actually Shenzhen is the best city in the world, no?
Yes.
Is it?
I think the best, one of best.
For technology.
Yes.
It's crazy what's happening. And here you just showing robots. Here the people in Hong Kong, they're just enjoying all the different company, big company, small company.
Yeah, I think they have a kind of company in there. And this is the first robot. And another is look like that. This robot, this robot is come from this company.
Yeah.
Hello, this is a Tron 1 robot from Limx Dynamics. This is a bipedal robot with only 2 legs. It can walk around and also carry items to do the delivery.
Nice. There's like a box there?
It can walk very fast, and it doesn't...
Sorry. It can walk very fast. Nice. It never falls?
It never falls. You can...
What do you say? It never falls. Yeah.
It never falls.
That's cool. Is it for sale? Available?
Yes, of course. We've already sold more than 300 units.
And your company is making different robots?
Yes, we are not just have 1 robot. Now we have 3 robots. Today we bring 2 of. We today bring 2 robots. The other one is the humanoid robot.
All right. Can you explain what it can do? So it's called Oli.
This is the other robot, humanoid robot. His name is Oli. Oli is a full-size humanoid robot with 31 degrees of freedom. He can do a lot of things. First, I would like him to say hi to you, probably.
It's going down on the floor. He's going to be walking? Nice. What is the vision for this? What it will be able to do in the future?
In the future, we expect Oli can do a lot of different works in the factory, replacing human labor. So in the future, both of us will not need to work, but we can let the robots to work for us.
We can just enjoy Netflix or something.
Yes, exactly.
Is it very stable or is it just beginning?
This is our product released last year, so we just start to sell in the first year.
Is it very expensive?
Not really.
You can say what's the price or no?
The price is $60,000 US for international market.
Nice. And then you have a robot that will work for you forever.
Yes, exactly.
But how about to fix it? It's difficult to fix? Or will be all the replacement parts, you will distribute it all over the world, people can get them?
Yeah, the repair and maintenance still needs to double check with our service team, but the robot is in modular design, so it's very easy to fix it.
Can you change the face?
Yes.
With a different head?
Yes, with additional price. We have such options.
Cool. All right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks. And let's check. Let's check this one here. Maybe there was. We can have a look at this is a different company right here. With a quadruped.
The next robot is robot dog, and he can work.
Yeah. All right. All right. It's moving there. All right, let's see if somebody from this company can talk. But it looks like there's like a big sensor system on its head. Oh, I'm being surrounded by robots. Soon they will be holding my camera and doing all my interviews. Let's walk around. What do we see here? All right. Hi.
Sorry, my boss is.
Hi. Yeah. All right.
介绍一下这个产品。
Maybe you can explain while we. So what we see here, eVTOL.
Yes. Okay.
Hi.
Yes.
So what is your name?
I'm Carrie, and is the sales manager of this company, Evital.
So at 4 p.m. I can do a test ride to Chimchamchui.
To
At 4 p.m. we go from the roof, right? We will fly.
Yes. Is you mean flying where in Hong Kong or?
Yeah, I want to go to Kowloon. I have the train to catch at 6:30. Can you bring me there on this one?
No, that we have a flying basement in Shenzhen, Guangming. Yes, that you can have a test in there.
Basement.
Yes, we have a flying test basement.
All right. Is it how far away in the future is this potentially gonna launch?
It's well coming, and this one we are selling to many countries like America, Mexico, Argentina, France, Netherlands, and more countries.
What if one of the propellers breaks? It will not crash?
Oh no. We have 8 engines. If one is break, and we all have an emergency step.
7.
Step. Yeah, 7 is well like landing smoothly.
What if 2 engines break?
2 engine space is always, but it is hard to suddenly two engines break.
But they will still be okay or not?
Yes,
Not good?
it's well okay, but just like emergency
go land
landing. Yes, and we have the airbag and the.
Nice.
Yes, I will show you the English version. Oh, sorry.
Nice. No problem.
Okay.
All right. So there's like a parachute system.
Yes.
All right. Cool. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me grab this one. All right. Maybe we can continue a little bit the tour.
Okay,
Do you have an idea what's next you want to show?
I want to show the next project is the glasses and
Yeah.
Hello.
All right. All right. That's right here. Yeah.
Hello, and I will introduct this glasses, and it's AI glasses. And more information, I will get this lady.
Okay. If you want, I come back in 5 minutes. We come just after you finish the presentation, no?
Oh yes, 5
Yeah.
minutes later. Okay.
Let's check the next one.
maybe later.
Next one, we come back here.
And,
What is this one?
Okay, this one. 先来介绍一下吗？
Okay.
This one in more
All right.
information,
So
I will
it's
get
called
this.
iRule Link.
Aerolink, yes. This
Yeah. So please introduce yourself.
this is the our company is Aerolink. We are do the logistic intelligent system. This is our cargo zone. It can fly more.
Yeah. Can you put this? Let's put this right here. Sorry. One
Okay.
second. For the signal. Okay. Maybe you can put this
Okay,
on
okay.
your shirt. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So it's cargo. It can carry.
Yes, it can carry. It can carry more than. It can fly more than 50 kilometers, and it carry 10 to 20 kg. 10 to 10
So
10
it can
kg.
fly and
Yeah.
drone.
Yeah.
Dual mode.
Yes.
So it just turns like this.
Yeah, it turn like this and go straight. Yeah.
Wow. Does that mean the propellers also turn?
No.
No.
Oh, okay.
And, so it has the propeller behind.
Yeah.
How does it fly?
It's fly. It goes straight fly and turn the angle and go like this.
Wow. It's stable. It's
Yeah.
working.
Yeah, it's working.
Nice. And then when it lands, it just turns again.
Yeah, in that is turn like this.
How many kilos can go inside?
It can 10 kilo to 20.
Wow. It's already on the market?
Yeah, here.
Wow.
Just look at it.
Whoa. So is it already in the market?
Yeah.
Where?
In the Mongolia.
Wow. What do they have? Like medicine delivery or?
Yeah, medicine. Medicine
Like
is the
blood?
main factory because it can fly so fast. It fly more than 132 kilometers per hour.
So it's like bringing the blood,
Yeah.
or what does it bring to?
Bring
Different
medical equipment, medicine, and something very important.
And what is this?
This is a warehouse, intelligent warehouse. It can automatically distribute the packet in different boxes, just like that. When the draw fly landing on the warehouse, and the pocket will go into the warehouse. On the package is in different boxes. Then the machine will send the email or send the message to the customer's phone. The message have the box number and the password. Then you use the password to get the package. Yeah.
How soon this will be real?
We have this one.
You already signed the contract?
Yeah. We have a cooperation with a local company.
Where?
Ordos, in Mongolia. Ordos.
Wow. And is this a different
No.
company?
No,
Okay, different
this is
company.
another company. Yeah.
All right, cool. Because I see some other projects before where people try to make airplane turn
Yeah.
into drone
Yeah.
and back. Is this the best design?
Yeah, this is the best design.
The best?
Yeah, this is best. Yeah.
But it's very expensive, or what?
Yeah.
Little bit?
A bit.
How soon
expensive.
will come down the price?
Maybe if you want more, the price maybe go down.
All right, cool. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I'll give you my card just after.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Let's try to find go around. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go around right here. All right. It's got lots of stuff happening. Hey, can I make video with you about your technology or your friend?
We have not enough technology.
You don't have to show. Okay. Okay, cool. I'm just looking to do video interview. Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's go around. There was not enough. Here we have. Hopefully Shenzhen finds a way to do memory modules. I need to read online what's the latest about that. Here you have Shenzhen Cat technology. Evital. Alright. So that was a booth here at the Hong Kong Fair. It's pretty great. Lots of demos. Let's go around, film some more.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices. For movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.